Well, back again, YouTube. Just doing some work in the garage. Got the chance, the wife got her car out of here. I'm working on this on the quad. The old mount that looks like this, it broke. That darn thing shattered, so I bought this piece from the salvage, and I've been modifying it because I got to extend it out a little further away from this. And of course, I've been kind of looking at paints, and I'm thinking I'm going to go with this. I'll sand all this down and paint it. So it's going to take a while, but I got to push it out of here because the wife wants me to do garage sale stuff for her, and stuff up there and over there. I'm going to have to do that soon. Now, yeah, there's some booger welds on this. I welded all this. I extended these out, and I got longer bolts to go in. And I got to do the other one on this side. And I don't care if these break, as long as these welds don't break. That's what I'm worried about. Get all that done, then I got to go to this, and all this has got to come off. The cane fell down, so I can get to the cover up in here because it's leaking oil. I got to put a new gasket on it. And of course, you look up the parts, and this being as old as it is, good luck trying to find a gasket. But yeah, I gotta get to the cover here and pop it off and redo it. My neighbor's like, oh, you might have to drop the motor. I'm like, other neighbor's like, no, here's a way to do it, so I'm going to try that way. But that means getting all this off and this off. It's a lot easier than dropping that motor down, because you got to detach it from the from that transmission. Otherwise, I'll show you the after product once I'm done. I'm not going to bore you with step by step. I don't have the cameras for that. Even though I have a GoPro, and right now I'm not in the mood to show my face just yet. But otherwise, I hope everybody's doing good out there. We've had flooding and a lot of rain around where I'm at. But now I'll talk to you again. Bye for now.